Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Match Up 8 DSP and you need to do a hard reset on it to its factory default settings. Now you might want to do this for really two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this amplifier is not working right, if it seems to be frozen, if it's putting out strange sounds, anything where it is not acting like it's supposed to be acting, a hard reset to the factory default settings can be a good fix for those things. The other reason is if you just want to get a fresh start on it and delete any configurations that you might have put in place on it, we can go ahead and do that. So all we need to do, if you want to do the hard reset, is come in here and find this control button. Now, if you just tap the control button, it just swaps between control options. But if you press and hold the control button for at least 5 seconds, this will initiate a hard reset to the factory default settings. Give it a few seconds to complete the reset and you can set it up as a new device.